Come test drive the 2023 Model 3 and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.